This is Sky 1 HD. Due to the Frostbite crisis, we are unable to provide programming. Switch over to Sky News for further coverage. This is a repeating message.
You're watching BBC National. We will be joining BBC News shortly. For information about the Frostbite crisis, press the red button, or for analog viewers, press the CFAX button and turn to page 241 for coverage. BBC National would like to state that due to low staff here at BBC Television Centre, all programmes will be broadcasted in 4:3 aspect ratio. Audio description and subtitles will also not be provided because of the crisis. We apologise for widescreen deaf or partially sighted viewers for any inconvenience this crisis has caused. Now, on BBC National, it's BBC News.